Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Motorola Razr 40. And for that we first want to take out our SIM card. If you have one inserted, just take that out. After that you want to go to your settings, and now you first want to go ahead and go to passwords and accounts, and here you want to click on your Google account and say remove account. We need to enter our PIN to verify that it's us. And now we want to go back and go to system, and here we have reset options, and then we have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, app preferences, baseband settings, eSIM, or erase all data factory reset. We want to do that. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photo and other user data. You're currently signed into that account, that's fine. Erase all data. Verify with our PIN, erase all data, all of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this. Alright. And now it is erasing, deleting all, and starting anew again. So now we're back at the start, and we can now go ahead and set up our phone again. So that's how you can perform a factory reset on your Motorola Razr 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.